Progressions, exercise 5.2, third problem. First one. In the given following APs, find the missing term in the boxes. These are the APs. Okay, find the missing term. So, first problem is 2 blank 26. First term, second term, third term. So, first term A1 equals to 2. Here third term is there, A3 equals to 26. We know that A3 value A plus 2D. A plus 2D equals to 26. A is nothing but A1. So 2 plus 2D equals to 26. So 2D equals to 26. 2 transpose right side minus 2. 26 minus 2, 24. 2D equals to 24. D equals to 2 how many times? 12 times. So D equals to 12. Therefore, now we want to find A2. A2 equals to the formula is A plus D. A value is 2. A value is 2. D value is 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. So the value of A2 is 14. Third problem, second one. A1 blank, A2 value 13, A3, A4 value 3. So given A2 is given, so 13. Okay, what is the value of A2? A2 formula A plus D equals to 13. A4 value A4 equals to 3. A4 formula A plus 3D equals to 3. Okay. Now this is say 1, say 2. Solve 1 and 2. So A plus D equals to 13. A plus 3D equals to 3. Now A1 and A3 find out here. So minus minus minus. Positive A, negative A cancel. D minus 3D minus 2D. 13 minus 3, 10. So D equals to D equals to 10 by minus 2, that is 5, minus 5. D equals to minus 5. Substitute D equals to minus 5 in 1 or 2. What is 1? What is 1? A plus D equals to 13. So A value is, we don't know the value of A plus D value is minus 5 equals to 13. So A equals to 13 minus 3 transpose right side plus minus 5 transpose right side plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. The value of A is 18. Therefore, first term is 18. See the next one. Third term A3 equals to A plus 2D. So A value is 18 plus 2, D value minus 5. So 18 plus into minus is minus, 2 5s are 10. 18 minus 10, so 8. So third term is 8. Third problem, third one. 5 dash A2, A3, 9 1 by 2, fourth term. So find the missing term, that means A2 and A3. Here A1 is given. What is the value of A1? A1 equals to 5. And A4 is given. A4 equals to 9 1 by 2. Okay, 9 1 by 2 value how much? 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. A4 is 19 by 2. So A4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. The value of A is 5. 5 plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. Okay. So 3D equals to 19 by 2. 5 transpose to right side minus 5. So that equals to 19. 2 5s are 10 by 2. 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. What is this? 3D. So D 3 times. Therefore D equals to 3 by 2. Now we will find A2 and A3. A2. A2 means A plus D. A plus D. The value of A is 5 plus D value 3 by 2. D value 3 by 2. 2 5 is the 10. 10 plus 3 by 2. 10 plus 3 is 13 by 2. 13 by 2. Next, A3 equals to A plus 2D. So A value is 5 plus 2. D value is 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. So the value of A2 is 13 by 2. 13 by 2 and A3 is 8. Coming to the fourth problem. A1 equals to minus 4 and A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. A6 equals to 6. So A6 is nothing but A plus 5D equals to 6. Now A value, A1 is nothing but A, minus 4 plus 5D equals to 6. 5D equals to 6, minus 4 transposed to right side plus 4. So 5D equals to 6 plus 4 is 10. D equals to 10, 5 transposed to right side divided by 5. How many times? 2 times. D equals to 2. Okay. Now we will find, already we know about A. Now we will find A2, A3, A4 and A5. So first A2. A2 is nothing but A plus D. A value is minus 4 plus D value 2. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Next, A3. So A plus 2D. So A value minus 4 plus 2 times D value 2. Minus 4 plus 2 2s are 4. That equals to 0. Next, A4. A plus 3D. So A value minus 4 plus 3D value 2. So minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Next, A5. A5 equals to A plus 4D. So A value minus 4 plus 4, D value 2. So minus 4 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 4 is 2. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So the value of A2 is minus 2, A3 is 0, A4 is 2, A5 is 4. Third problem, fifth. In the following APs, find the missing terms. A1, A3, A4, A5 are missing. Now we will find the terms. Given A2 is 38 and A3, A4, A5, A6 is given minus 22. So A2 means A plus D equals to 38. Say it is 1. A6 means A plus 5D equals to minus 22. This is say 2. Now solve 1 and 2. What is 1? A plus D equals to 38. What is 2? A plus 5D equals to minus 22. Solve 1 and 2. Minus, minus, plus. So A minus A get cancelled. D minus 5D is minus 4D equals to 38 plus 22, 60. So D equals to 60 by minus 4, that is 15 times. So D equals to minus 15. Okay. Substitute D equals to minus 15 in 1 or 2. What is 1? A plus D equals to 38. So A value, we don't know A value, plus D value minus 15 equals to 38. So A equals to 38 minus 15 transpose right side plus 15. So 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 balance, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. The value of A is 53. So therefore first term A1 equals to 53. We know second term, third term A3 equals to A plus 2D. A value 53 plus 2, D value minus 15. So 53 plus into minus is minus, 2 15 is a 30, that is 13. Next, fourth term A4 equals to A plus 3D. So A value 53 plus 3, D value minus 15. So 53 plus into minus is minus, 3 15 is a 45, that is 8. Next, fifth term A5 equals to A plus 4D. So A value 53 plus 4, D value minus 15. 53 plus into minus is minus, 4 15 is a 60. 53 minus 60 is minus 7. Therefore, the value of A1 is 53, A3 value 13, A4 value 8, A5 value minus 7.